Hello and welcome to LG's step-by-step guide on how to install the drain hose. Please follow these steps whenever you install or move your washing machine. If you have the water supply connected, you should shut it off. It is also a good idea to unplug the washing machine before installation. The drain hose is located at the back of the washing machine. Make sure you have a suitable drain pipe or sink close enough to properly install it. Install the drain hose no lower than 15 inches and no higher than 40 inches. In most cases, you will need to install an elbow bracket. Clip the end of the hose into the elbow bracket that came with your washing machine. Make sure the end of the hose isn't sticking out more than 4 inches from the end of the bracket. If you are using a sink, just hang the elbow bracket over the side of it. Then secure the drain hose with a tie strap or a safety chain. And you are all done. You may have a drain pipe built in the wall. In this case, you don't need an elbow bracket. Just push the hose into the drain pipe. Then secure the drain hose to the cold water hose with a tie strap. If you have a standpipe drain, simply insert the elbow bracket into the standpipe. Next, secure the drain hose with a tie strap. Make sure the hose is secured properly to prevent property damage due to water leakage. Also, never create an airtight seal between the hose and drain with tape or any other means. Without an air gap, water may siphon out of the drum. This may result in poor wash and rinse performance or clothing damage. Additionally, make sure the drain hose is not pinched, crushed, or kinked. Finally, if the drain hose is too long, do not force it back into the appliance. This may cause abnormal noise. And that is how to install the drain hose. For information on how to clean the drain pump filter, check out our video on how to clean the drain pump filter. Thank you for using LG washing machines.